the pest interceptors believe and know that catching moles is child's play. In fact, my little friend here, Geordie, he's going to help me catch this mole. And today, on this one, we've got 3 different traps. We're going to use this one. What's it called? Remember?
It's a mole trap.
It's a mole trap, otherwise known as a Duffus trap or a flat pack trap. Okay, so but what we've got to do first is we need to find the tunnel inside here.
So it's going to be in the middle.
Maybe. If you come around this side a little bit here, right? If you put your hand on the top,
you want to speak
right?
a little bit louder just in case.
Okay, so in we go. You might feel it in a minute, and keep going, keep pushing. Oh, no, it wasn't quite there. Let's go here. Where is this little tunnel? Oh, I think we're close there. I could feel it a little bit. Could you feel it?
Yeah.
Let's go here. No, that's a stone. Where is it? All of a sudden it'll drop through. Oh, I think that's it.
That's
I
it.
think that's where it is. So now what we have to do, now we have to get a bit muddy, a bit dirty. So what I do is push that back like that, and if you start scraping the molehill away, we'll follow this down. Push the molehill away. And then if I pull up like that, and there, I think, is the hole.
There it is.
It's in there somewhere. Let me get the poker in again, the dibber. And there's the hole going down there. So what we need to do now, are you strong enough to put your fingers in there like that and pull back that way? Go on. That's it. I'm getting there. Oh. And then, I'll show you where the hole is in a minute. Let me just pull this big piece up here. Get them stones out. So one hole goes that way and one goes that way. There it is, look. If I put your fingers, so you got one hole there, and if you turn it round the other way, backwards, you fill the other hole.
2 holes.
Yeah, so we've gone into his,
It looks like
the mole's tunnel, you see.
It goes in 2 mazes.
So now what we need to do is we need to make that
worm.
tunnel just about long enough. Oh yeah, that's what the moles eat, things like that.
There you go, Geordie, you was asking me that earlier, wasn't you?
We'll need this. We'll need this earlier because we need it to be like scammed. So it's gonna go through here and eat it. So it's gonna. We're gonna kill this.
You're trying to trick them all, are you?
Yeah.
We're baiting the trap, are we?
Yeah.
Okay, we can do that. So I'll drop that in the middle. There's plenty of other things in there. Their favourite is earthworms.
You're not a wormies, Geordie.
Yeah.
And where did we say Geordie's from? I forgot where he's from.
I am as well.
I'm from Spain.
Born in Spain, living in Birmingham, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Right, do you think you can copy me doing this on that side? I don't know whether your hands are going to be strong enough. If I help you, we've got to push that down. So if you put your thumbs like that, see how I've got it?
Yeah.
You pull it back. Go on. Oh. I'll push it as well. Okay. And now what we need to do, take your hands out, is we need to flip this little one over, look, the little catch. And that has got to go on that little hook there. Can we get it in? Ooh. You got it.
There
Perfect, perfect. And I'll do this way, this side.
Don't put your fingers in there now,
Yeah.
Geordie. 'Cause if you put your finger in there, it'll break your finger.
I think you're a mole. So this is how the grown-up pest interceptor does it. Over the top. Oop.
See, Geordie, you're better than him.
Better than me already. And then we make sure the triggers are ready where they want to be. And then what we do, we push it into this hole. So we're going to make it just a little bit bigger. Do you want to help push down there?
Yeah.
We'll push it in. And that's it. And that's it. That's its new tunnel. But when it goes through and eats that centipede that you found, it'll press those triggers and no more mole. Okay, and we'll put this stick in. Do you want to push that in for me? Push, 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 push. Go on. There you go. That'll do. Put that there. Okay, on to the next one, Geordie. Not too much, not too much, because otherwise the triggers won't be able to pop up. Do you see?
Okay.
See, you got it, you got it. So we have to leave those bits so that things can move. Okay, let's set the Talpex. Now then, Geordie, this one's called a Talpex trap. Okay, this is a Talpex. So first thing we've got to do, get your dibber, let's find that hole. All right, push it in. Push, 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 push. Up.
First try.
The guy's a genius. Right, so now you can feel that tunnel. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can
And
feel
then
the top
that
and
was
the bottom.
first try.
Now what do we do now?
No.
So get down on your knees. Down on your knees. Right, so remember, we've moved all this soil back so we can move this. Okay, so then when we pop this up, we'll be able to see, it's a deep one, this one. And we don't need as big a hole for the Talpex. So there's one run going there. Look, one tunnel that way. You see it? Where's the other tunnel? Ah, there it is. There's the other tunnel. There's the other tunnel. Let's just make a little bit bigger gap for it. So there's one tunnel and there's the other. Now, setting this one.
Okay.
Are we ready?
Yeah.
Right, I don't know how much you're going to be able to do on this one, to be in all honesty. So what we have to do, press it together. This clip goes over the top and you can help me get it on that bit. So that's got to go in that hole.
Okay.
All right, let me push that together. He's good. He's good. Okay, okay, just leave it there. It only just stays on. I just want to move that across a little bit. Can you get it in the hole again for me? There we go. Perfect. Perfect. That's it. Fingers out the way. This is nearly ready to go. So what we do with this one, where the tunnel's there and the tunnel's there, we want the mole to go in between there and push that up with its back, and then it'll catch it. We'll see which one catches it next week. Let me just make sure it goes in easy. Make sure that these can move, you see, Geordie. Let's make a little bit more around there. And if you just place that right in the middle with me, some fingers, that's it, perfect. Don't have to push it in too far. That's perfect, mate. And then what we do is we'll put
A little bit in.
a little bit behind here. And then what we need to do, now this is really important, what we have to do is make sure there's no stones in it. We just fill that in lightly. So any stones, if you just dribble it on the top for me. Keep going. Keep going. Because the mole will think, oh no, my tunnel's all full of stuff. I need to clean it out. And he'll come through to come and clean it out. A couple more stones there. And as he does, he'll set that trap off. Just put a little bit
Could
more
use
on.
a sieve if you wanted to be extra.
If you wanted to be a pedantic kind of person and use a sieve, you could. Right.
Well done, Jordan.
Now all we've got to do now is kick over these molehills.
Then we
Kick 'em
have a
over.
lot
Let's
to
kick
do.
'em over. Come on. This is important as well, because otherwise you won't know where the new molehills are and when the old ones are. On to the next one then, Geordie.
Okay then.
How'd you find that, Geordie? Easy.
Yeah.
Good, cool. You reckon you can find this one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for it then. Get your dibber somewhere in the centre. Push it down. Push, push, push.
No.
No, not there. About there, maybe. Any good?
No. No.
No.
Maybe the
Maybe.
last part when we started. I think.
About there. Might be. Oh, not so lucky on this one. I think maybe there.
No.
No, well, it must be here then.
Right, that's it, Geordie, I'm sacked.
That's it. Oh, there you got it.
There
There
you
you
go.
go.
I take it
A little
back.
bit of encouragement. So now what do we have to do?
Now we put this here, and then we take the oil,
That's right. So take away from this side first,
and then the next side.
because then we can slowly push this back. You go back with it. That's it. I start excavating. Oh, it's there. Look. I put my fingers in, and can you feel the holes? Going that way, I think, isn't it?
It's kind of like this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, one here.
Yeah. Is it just one way?
Yeah, I
Let's
think.
have a look with my man fingers. So we'll see what we can find. So we'll pull that back a bit. Let's see.
I can hear a dog. Yeah, I don't know.
Oh yeah, there's loads of woodpeckers over here.
A lot. How many?
Yeah. Oh, she's deep.
I've never seen a woodpecker.
You joking?
Yeah.
Oh. And this is a bit annoying because it's a one-way tunnel. We need another tunnel, my friend. So what I'm thinking on this one,
I think there could be another one here.
I think where that tunnel comes along is going to be. Oh, look how deep that is.
Yeah. We need an easy one for little
We
Geordie.
need an easier one for you, I think. Let's try this one.
Maybe. The setter always
About
goes.
there.
Maybe.
Let's have a try.
No, let him try and find it.
No. No.
See if you can find it, Geordie.
No, there's not.
No, pull it back out then.
Put it back up then.
I think about here.
Might be right.
No.
Sure?
I think you need to press a bit harder.
No.
No.
Oh, I think go, Geordie, go right here where my heel is. Go right there.
Oh my gosh, it's too strong.
Yeah, let me try. I felt something right there. Maybe not. No, I was lying.
Maybe it could be here. Nope. The only spot that we
Let's have a
didn't
look.
check is here.
Let's have a go then. Oh, that could be.
Okay.
On the edge a bit if I am. Let's have a look.
Whoa.
This is a tricky mole. Oh, what's that here?
There you
Could
go.
be. And then if we use the dibber. there
So it
is.
goes to here, and
So
maybe it
that's
goes
right.
here. Maybe
You've got it, my friend.
maybe it goes to
So come
here.
back round here. And we're going to set the next one now. So this one, we use the dibber to rip the hole.
And
push
I'll
our
show
fingers
you,
in.
and I will show you where it doesn't go.
Let's have a look. We don't want to make too big a hole though. So we've got that going that way, and that one going that way. Okay.
Yeah.
Now what we've got to do with the scissor trap is we need to get that in there like that. All right.
Okay.
So I'll squash the handle. You do the thing. All right. Let me push it right open. You see those little lips there? Oh, a little bit down like that. Look, underneath it like that. And then we go clip, and that's in. Now what we've got to do, we've got to put this so the mole comes through here. Look. Right, so that's where the tunnel's going, and when he goes through here, bang!
It chops it down.
That's
Look.
right.
Chopped it down.
Chopped up mole.
Okay, so do you want to put this one in?
Yeah.
You get
Those
it
moles
properly?
are. Look, I found a worm.
That's a root, that is. Let's take that root out. Don't put your fingers in.
So.
Okay. Push him in. And that's it.
That's it.
That's it. Just make sure that the blades can move. That's perfect, Geordie. And then on this one, we just use the soil that was above to make a little roof for it. I'll get a little bit of soil from somewhere else. And that, my friend,
From here.
you can do, yeah. Oh, there's a good bit, look. That'll fill it in, because that's got some soil on it, look. So we'll put that like that. Not too tight though, so everything can move.
Perfect.
We'll have to come back next week now and see if we've caught one.
Let's see.
Huh?
I
Like
think we're
that?
gonna call each one, but we
How
have
do you
to.
fancy?
Huh?
We've got to kick all these molehills over, and
Yeah.
then we'll go and feed the bees, eh? So let's kick these molehills over. Come on. We'll fill that one back in. Kick them over.
Maybe he will. Maybe the builders will make a little bit more in this way.
He might do, unless we catch him before he gets a chance.
Right, well done, Geordie.
We did it.
Yes, you did it. You did it.
Awesome stuff. Well done. Which one will catch though? Do you think it'll be the scissor trap, the Talpex trap, or the Duffus trap?
I think the Duffus trap.
The Duffus. I
Yes.
think the Duffus too. I love a Duffus trap.
Yeah.
Right, mate, let's go and feed the bees, eh?
Let's go.